So you've just finished installing Discord, you've logged on and you're faced with something pretty similar to what I've got right now. What I'll do is I'll just take you through a couple of the features of Discord that's going to make your life a little bit easier. So we start with the bottom left, then you'll see that you've got your username and then a display picture. If you click on the display picture, it will allow you to change your status, whether that be idle, do not disturb, or invisible. Coming on the bottom then, you've got a mute button which will mute your microphone. You've also got a deafen button which will deafen or turn off your speakers. You've then got a user settings. If we click on the user settings then, most of this is self-explanatory. However, if you click on voice and video, then it will allow you to adjust your input and output devices, run a mic test if you need to, and change it from voice activated or push to talk. If you don't like a ton of notifications coming through whilst you're playing games, then click on the notification buttons and you can customize this to however you like it. If we look at actually joining the RAF Gamers Network server, then click on the left hand side, click add a server. From here then we'll click join a server, and this is where we start copying and pasting our invite code or invite URL that we got from our RF Gamers rep. If we click join, you now see that your display's changed. Along the right hand side we have members that we can currently see, so admins, the bot that is for the server, and then a number of offline members. On the left hand side then you have your channels, so you've got the hash, which is generally text chat. You've then got speakers, which are voice chats. For the RF Gamers Network there is an AFK channel that you'll be shoved into after 15 minutes of inactivity. What we want to do then is we want to click on the new arrivals vetting, and along the top you'll see that there's a message. So the message states, welcome to RF Gamers Network. Please drop a note here telling us which station you are from, whether you are serving, and how you got the link for this Discord. So we'll drop our message. Once we've dropped our message then, we're waiting for an administrator to give us some permissions to see the rest of the channels.
A few moments later.
So my membership has been approved by an administrator, and if we click on the new arrivals welcome, we can see that our number of users that within the RF Gaming Network has dramatically increased. RGM members 63 at the moment, but that is your currently online players, and you can see what games they're playing. If we scroll down a little bit more then, we can also see how many affiliate members we have and how many offline members we have. So from here then we need to look at what games do we want to play and what teams do we want to join. To do that then you would click on the sorting channel, and within the sorting channel you'll see that there is a number of posts from the RGN adjutant. To join one of these games then, say for instance StarCraft, what we'd do is we would click on the StarCraft 2 like button at the bottom, and we can now see that the StarCraft chat room has been added to the bottom left. And if we click on this, we can see the chat that has happened within that game. If we go back to the sourcing channel then, remember to identify yourself as a particular station. As we scroll up, we can see that there's a role menu for whatever station you're in. So at this point, I've said that I'm from Halton, therefore I want to join Wickham. Wickham is I will click on I. And again, you can see that there is 2 chat rooms now added to my bottom left. Now, if you want to turn off the notifications for any of these chat rooms, just right click it and click mute. And that's it. Enjoy the RF Gamers Network.